Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have the Charlotte Tilbury Mystery Box. So I was randomly on Charlotte Tilbury's website and I saw that she is having 50% off her mystery boxes. Charlotte Tilbury does this a few times a year and I have bought Charlotte Tilbury mystery boxes in the past, so I was really excited to buy another one. I think it's a really great way to try her products, especially if you're new to Charlotte Tilbury, and also it's a nice surprise or gift for yourself, especially Christmas is just around the corner. It's a nice little gift to buy yourself. So I ordered this box on the first or second day that she was having the sale, and I just received it today, so I wanted to kind of share it with you before I even opened it. And the box that I have is the Day to Disco box, and I picked the light medium shade, which had the light to medium Filmstar Bronze and Glow. But with this purchase, because I had spent over $150, I received a free eyeshadow palette, and this one is the Luxury Palette color-coded eyeshadow palette in the shade Walk of Shame. And I'm really happy about this one because I really like these type of shades, and I don't have this eyeshadow quad in my own collection. I really like her eyeshadow quads. So some other products that I received was this Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter sample. It's great because she has given us 8 shades, so there's plenty of shades to choose from here. And then also a sample of her Magic Serum. So you get a really good, decent sized sample there. So for the exciting part, let's get into the box. And like I said, I haven't opened it, so very excited. This one you get 7 mystery products. Although we did know we were getting 2 products, we knew that we're going to get a lipstick, a Matte Revolution lipstick, and also a Filmstar Bronze and Glow. But anyway, this is what the box looks like inside. The packaging is always wrapped beautifully with Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to ruin that now. So this is what it looks like inside with all of my products. So let's get started first with one of the products that we actually knew we were getting. This is the Filmstar Bronze and Glow. I have the shade Light Medium. I already have this bronzer, but actually my bronzer, the highlighter broke, so I was happy to actually get a new one of this one. So the packaging is very luxurious. I love what it says there. It says this is a secret that silver screen sirens have kept to themselves for years. You get a sculptor and a highlighter. And this is what it looks like inside. So you have that really beautiful candlelight lit glow and a really nice kind of neutral shade bronze. The next item we knew that we were getting is this Matte Revolution lipstick, and this is in the shade, I think it's Mi Kiss. And I think that this is the old Bond Girl lipstick, which I have had in the past. And that is what it looks like. It's a beautiful shade. This is like a kind of burnt brown, a bit of kind of mauve in there. It's a very flattering shade. I think it will suit a lot of different people. Perfect for like an everyday lip shade with a bit more color than just say a nude lipstick. Next up, we have Champagne Diamonds, one of Charlotte Tilbury's eyeshadow sticks, and I have a few of these. I really like them as well, but I don't have this shade. And this is a gorgeous champagne shade. Let's see if I can show you. Just really stunning, perfect for anybody that wants to just apply something really quickly on the go and not think too much about their makeup. I really like that, and really nice for every single day, that shade. Next up, we have the PillowTalk lip gloss, Jewel Lips, and this is a really pretty lip gloss. I think I have a sample of this one actually. And the packaging is stunning by itself. I like this lip gloss. It's not sticky, and this color or this shade is very nice and flattering, and it's just like a light wash of light pink with a hint of sparkle. And I think it's also great as a topper as well. So the next product we have is a Multi Miracle Glow, and this is actually sample size. So the other products that I showed you, they were all full size products. This is a sample size, and well, I would say a more deluxe sample size. This is the Multi Miracle Glow Cleanser, Mask and Balm. I think it's an all-in-one product. I haven't tried this actually, so it will be good to try something from Charlotte Tilbury skincare line. I actually haven't tried anything from her skincare line, so that would be really great to try. Another sample that we have is the PillowTalk Push Up Lashes Mascara, and this is in Super Black. So it is quite like a deluxe sample size. I haven't tried this mascara. I did like the Legendary Lashes one. I think that was really great mascara. That's one that I really enjoyed wearing. So I haven't tried this one yet. So my last product is the last item in the box is the Hollywood Flawless Filter Luxury Eye Palette, and in the shade Diva Lights. This palette, I haven't tried any of her Hollywood Flawless Filter ones. So it says it's soft focus glow filter for bigger, brighter movie star eyes. Who doesn't want that? And I love the packaging. So in comparison, the packaging is different. This one has a lot more gold on there and a really cute pattern. And this is the original one, the Walk of No Shame. So this has 4 shades in it as well. And the shades are, yes, very stunning. And I can definitely see that they would probably give you this soft filtered effect on your eyes, as they look quite like there's a satin finish to it. Actually, the texture looks really nice. You also get a black shade, matte black, but it's not completely matte, I don't think, from looking at it. It's kind of like a satin, not satin, but it looks like it's going to be very smoothing. You have this beautiful champagne shade and some beautiful warm tone bronzy and a nice kind of orangey bronze shade here as well. I think this is a really beautiful palette. I'm happy that that came in the set. So this is everything from the Day to Disco box. What were your thoughts on this box? Let me know down below. I really enjoy Charlotte Tilbury mystery boxes. I think it's a really nice idea and also great for anybody who's new to Charlotte Tilbury. I love adding new products from Charlotte Tilbury, and although I have had 1 or 2 of these in the past, it's great to have them again in my collection as they ran out. So for me, I really liked this box. It has some interesting products. The products that are in this box in particular, I don't have all of them. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this little Charlotte Tilbury mystery box review. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.